Samsung wants to place a super fast charge on the Galaxy Note 10. It is the second flagship cell that the firm would launch in the second half of the year. The South Korean firm intends to place a loading speed in Note 10 above 25 W. The speed that Samsung would choose for the Note 10 would be 50 W or something similar. Samsung already has two phones with a fast charge of 25 W, a version of the Galaxy S10 and the Galaxy A70. However, the S10 with this charge is not sold worldwide and the A70 is a phone that is not of the high range, so users who want a high-end cell phone from Samsung and with a load as fast as 25 W they have complicated. Other Samsung phones with fast charging are the previous models that allow 15 W charging. While that rate is quite agile, 25 W or more can help load a smartphone faster. Oppo, which allows the charge of almost 50 W, ensures that you can charge a cell phone completely in just 35 minutes. The Galaxy Note 10 is still several months away, since Samsung usually releases a new Note 10 between August and September. However, the Note 10 is aimed to be a phone similar to the S10 but with one or another improvement to differentiate and attract consumers.